Okay. Now we are going to the geographic analysis, right? Now I'm going to again, I'm taking another field here. So clear this one. We can use the clear this button, automatically clear this. Okay. Now I'm going to another sheet. You can click another sheet here. Now I'm going to sheet. City I'm dragging to the row shelf here. Now I'm going to apply in the chart, I'm going to apply the map here. Okay. So in the map, it will display these are the cities. Okay. City drag and drop label here. It will display the different seats here. Now, but here it will display the 363 unknown here. So unknown means, so వీటికి మ్యాప్ లేదనమాట. సో మ్యాప్ లేనప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? We can go into the, you can apply the latitude, longitude to the values అనమాట. So click here. Now edit location. Now I'm going to here. So I want to display anything here. I'm taking anyone. So here I'm going to take the very garland. I'm taking garland here. Okay. So this garland, you can go into search it the Google. Okay. Now I'm going to Google here. Okay. In the Google garland, right? I'm taking the garland. Garland latitude and longitude here. Okay. Now I'm going to, these are the latitude and longitude values. Now I'm taking this one only. Copy. Now I'm going to Tableau here. Now click this one. Okay. Now click this one. It will show the rows. Copy paste here. Now I again go to Google and copy paste longitude here. Okay. Longitude here. Copy. Now I'm going to apply here. So latitude here. So before any manaki ikkada 363. Now if we apply the latitude longitude values into the garland. So okay. And now okay. See, now I'm going to, it will show the only 362. Got my point here? Before 363 ఉన్నాయి. Now ఎప్పుడైతే latitude longitude values apply చేసామో, then one will be going to out, then that value add into the city map లో యాడ్ అవుతుంది, city లో యాడ్ అవుతుంది అన్నమాట. Okay, that is called as a geograph. Okay, now this is the important join. Okay, morning class లో మనం join చూసాము, cardinals కూడా చూసినట్టున్నాం. Okay, we will discuss simply. Okay, filters. Now we are going to filter here. So in the filters, what is the filter here? So filter is nothing but yes, very simple. So restrict the value. So restrict the value means, so if you want to display the some value, so here 1, 2, 3, 4 data. Okay, in that I want to display the second data. Okay, I want to display 2. Okay, is it display చేయాలనుకున్నా. So that is you can restrict data. So in the name restrict చేసాను 2, 3, 4 అనేది restrict చేసి I want to display the 2 data. So it will display the required data. That is called as a filter. So suppose here one example, మనకు బాగా తెలిసిన example, so many ఉంటాయి. So suppose టీ తీసుకుంటాం. Okay, టీ. So in the టీ లో ఏం కలుపుతాము? మిల్క్ కలుపుతాము. Okay, next టీ పౌడర్, right? టీ పౌడర్. సో దీన్ని మరిగించిన తర్వాత ఏమవుతుంది? యూ కెన్ డివైడ్ ఇట్. మనం ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తాం? బై యూజింగ్ ది ఫిల్టర్ హియర్. ఓకే, సో గరాటా యూజ్ చేసి యూ కెన్ ఫిల్టర్ అవుట్. సో దీన్ని సెపరేట్ చేస్తాము, దీన్ని సెపరేట్ చేసుకుంటాం. సో ఇప్పుడు రిక్వైర్డ్ ఏంటి? మిల్క్ ఈజ్ రిక్వైర్డ్, ఐ మీన్ టీ ఈజ్ రిక్వైర్డ్ హియర్. ఓకే, టీ వేస్ట్ పౌడర్ అని కూడా మనం ఫిల్టర్ అవుట్ చేసి రిమూవ్ చేస్తాం. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ సింపుల్ కాన్సెప్ట్. ఓకే, ఎగ్జాంపుల్ టీ అనమాట, రైట్? ఓకే, now I'm going to restrict data. Now I'm take the category into the filter. This is the filter self you can apply here. So in the filter self you can apply here. Okay, now I'm taking the category into the filter self. So it will show the how many data fields are present in the filters. So I want to display the technology. Click here, apply. Okay, now category drag and drop it row cell. It will display the only technology. So here what happened here? I want to display the technology. Remaining will be going to be hiding. So it will go into the, we can put into the hiding. So then ఏం చేసాం? hide చేశారు remaining. So whatever you want fetching data, you can fetch it. So remaining data will be going to, you can do the hiding అనమాట. ఇక్కడ hide చేసాం అనమాట. Okay, this is the hiding. Suppose again I'm going to clear this one. Now I'm going to city drag and drop filter self. So it will display all the data fields here. Now I'm going to check. So I want to display the 4. Okay, apply. Okay, now I'm going to city drag and drop into the row self here. So it will display the 4. Before end చూపించిని, before it will show the multiple cities here. Now ఎప్పుడైతే మనం ఇక్కడ filter apply చేసాం, it will show the 4. Suppose again edit here, I want to display the only 1 here. Okay, only 1 here. Okay, apply. Okay, it will display only 1. So that is called as the filtering method. In the filtering, we can able to different types of filters ఉంటాయి ఇక్కడ. So simply I'm saying here filter. Okay, so in the filter, so it has a 3 types here, right? 3 types. One is worksheet level filter, and second one is data source level filter, and third one is across multiple data source level filter. Okay, this is the worksheet. Worksheet ante idi worksheet, right? Ivanni worksheet level filter, right? Sheet level apply cheyadam worksheet level. Now data source level. So data source means this is the data source here. Okay. Okay. Now across multiple data source ante if you take the multiple sheets. So we are working on under the multiple sheets. Multiple sheets means 1 plus 1 plus 2, like this. Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, like this. In the sheet level, you can apply the across multiple level sheets. So this is the concept. Okay. Now, got my point here. So filter has 3 types. One is worksheet level filter, and second one is data source level filter, and third one is across multiple data source level filter. Okay. Worksheet level, coming to worksheet level filter, we can able to different types on there. So suppose I'm going to explain here. Quick filter. Suppose I want to quick the filter. Quick filters. What is the quick filter here? So drag and drop here, category, or else I'm taking the subcategory, drag and drop row cell here. Now I'm going to edit here. So filter here. So quick filter means it will show the immediately, right? So filter. So it will show the here values. Now I'm taking sales, drag and drop it here. So it will display the quickly. So I want to remove the all. So remove that. I want to display the art here. So I want this to copy here. I want this to table here. I want display the phone here. I want display something here. So it will display the quick filter immediately. So this is the colors quick filter. Now I'm going to here. Now I'm going to here. Hierarchy filter, right? Just like a cascading filter, right? Hierarchy filter. So I'm taking the order drag and drop here. So this is the hierarchy structure. Parent to child, child to parent. So now I'm going to click this button, drill up down. So drill up, drill up. Now I'm going to drill down, drill down, drill down. One level to higher level to lower level to higher level. So that is called as the cascading method, right? Now this is the one type of filter. So multiple types of filters only, but we are not covering this time. Okay. So just like I'm going to write something here. First one is header level filter. See, header level filter. Under data view level filter. Marks card level filter. Okay. Next, quick filter. Next, context filter. Context filter. Next, cascading filter. Next, parameter filter. So these are different types of. Okay. So worksheet level, these are the worksheet level. Worksheet level header filter, data view level filter, marks card filter, quick filter, context filter, cascading filter, parameter filter. Right? These are the different types of filter. So 100% interview question ఏంటంటే కాంటెక్స్ట్ ఫిల్టర్. సో ఇది మీరు నా ఛానల్లో ఉంటుంది, చాలా సార్లు చెప్పాను. అది మీరు కాంటెక్స్ట్ ఫిల్టర్ చెక్ చేసుకుని ఒకసారి వినండి. ఓకే. నా 100% ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్. Okay. Now I'm going to data source level filter here. So what is the data source level filter? So this is the data source. Now we are going to click here. So it will display the, so suppose మన ఎక్సెల్ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, ఆ ఎక్సెల్ షీట్ లో ఏ డేటా ఫీల్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయని ఇక్కడ డేటా సోర్స్ లెవెల్ ఫిల్టర్. Okay. So for example, now I'm going to clear all the sheet here. Okay, no worries. So here I'm going to order drag and drop here. So it will display the 20, 21, 23 here. Okay, up to 23 here. So now I want to do restricted data here. So in the sheet level, here order date drag and drop it filter here. Now click the years. So it will display the all. I want to display the only 20. Apply. So what happened here? It will display the 20. This is the restricted here. Now I'm going to the sheet here. Now I'm going to drag and drop here. But it will display 4 here. So it will display the 1. It will display the 4 here. What happened here? Here it will be going to the sheet level. I am applying the filter here. So coming to data source level filter. Now we are going to data source level filter. Suppose I'm going to here. This is the data source level filter here. Okay. Now I'm going to add filter here. So this is the add filter. Now I'm going to add here. Now I'm going to add it here. Okay. Now I'm going to select here. So here you can apply. I want to see the 20. Apply. Okay. Now I'm going to sheet level. So now I'm taking the order drag and drop it here. It will display only 20. So now going to come back here, it will display 20. Now I'm going to 20. What happened here? What is different between sheet level and the data source level? In the sheet level, you can able to restrict the only sheet level. In the data source level, you can restrict the data source level. It is the permanently. So permanently you can apply here. For example, okay, I'm going here. Now I'm going to the category here. So category, it will show the 1, 2, 3 data fields here. So here I'm going to restrict data here. Okay, so filter here. Now I'm going to edit filter here. Now I'm going to apply only furniture. Okay. Now here I'm going to restrict the data here. Again, I'm going to another sheet here. Now category drag and drop filter here. What happened here? It will display the all the data field here, right? All data fields here. So it will display the all data fields here. So this is the sheet level you can apply. This is the temporary. Suppose you are going to data source level here. Now I'm going to edit filter. Now I'm going to add filter. Now I'm going to category. Okay. I'm selecting furniture. Apply. Okay. Now I'm going to category drag and drop here. This is the permanent. Okay. Before it will show the 3. Now it will show the data field 1. That is called as data source level filter. Okay. Now we are going to across multiple data source level. For example, I'm clear this one all. You can not able to understand here. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to open this one again. Excel. Open Superstore here. Now I'm taking the order here. Canvas area. Now I'm going to sheet here. So here across multiple data source level. So I'm going to category wise sales here. Okay. Now this is the sheet one here. Now I'm going to subcategory wise quantity here. Okay. You can apply like this. Now I'm going to here city wise or region wise. Okay. Region wise sales here. Whatever it is, you can take this. Okay. Okay. Now if you want to change the charts here. For example, if you want to change the sheet here, sheet 1, I'm going to apply the bar chart here. Okay. Now I'm going to sheet 2, I'm going to apply this view. Now I'm going to apply the bubble chart here. Okay. These are different charts and sheets. Okay. Now here I'm going to restrict data here. Can apply the across multiple data source level filter here. Okay. Right. Suppose I'm taking the region here also. Okay. I'm taking the region into the filter here. Okay. I'm show filter here. So here what happened here, I'm taking the only region only first sheet. Right click here. Now I'm going to apply the all using data source level filter. Okay, apply here. So what happened here? Now sheet 2. What happened? Region is coming. Now sheet 3. Region is coming. Okay. So suppose here I'm going to here. Now I'm going to uncheck here. What happened here? Data will be hide. So going to sheet 2. Now going to sheet 3. What happened here? You don't find anything data, right? Now I'm going to central data. So now I'm going to sheet 2. It will display some data. So it will display some data here. So now I'm going to sheet 2. Okay. Now it will go into some data. Now it will go into some data here. Right? Suppose I'm going to here, I'm going to apply south here. So it will display some data here. Okay. Now I'm going to sheet here. It will display some data here. Okay. Now I'm going to here. It will display some data here. So that is called as a across multiple data source level filter. You can restrict data. Okay. So this is the concept of the filter here. Okay. Again, we are going to discuss with the filter concept, right? So filter 100% entry. So 80% we can apply into the filters into the real time. So real time is apply చేసుకుంటాం, right? Next, these are three types: worksheet level filter and data source level filter and across multiple data source level filter. So in the worksheet level, header level, so data view level, marks card level, and a quick filter, context filter, cascading filter, parameter filter. Okay. Now we are going to data source. Okay. Data source filter means this is the sheet level, right? This is sheet level. This is the data source level. This is the sheet level. Okay. Across multiple level means in the sheet, you can create the multiple sheet. Okay. Multiple sheet, we can apply the multiple level sheet level. Okay. So now we are going to parameter here. Okay. So this is the parameter. Now how you can create the parameter here? So parameter. This is the create parameter here. So what is the purpose of the parameter? So parameter is nothing but a so dynamically value. You can create the dynamically. So user can understand by using the different formats. So so user can suppose here I'm going to apply parameter here. So in the parameter, I can apply the 100 fields. In the parameter, I can apply the 100 fields here. So client wants to see, I want to display the 10 here. Then it will go into the apply the parameter based on this parameter. So parameter dynamically we can apply the required fields. So how you can do this one? Okay. Now we are going to parameter. So I'm going to create parameter, right? So. Okay. Now I'm going to subcategory. Okay. Now I'm going to subcategory or right click here. So I want to display the top 10 customer here. Top 10 customer, bottom 10 customer. How you can display top 10, bottom 10 customer? So based on this parameter, right? Now we are going to the, okay. Now I'm going to customer name, drag and drop in the column cell. Okay. Sales, drag and drop in the column cell here. Sorry. So you can remove all the fields here. Clear this one because it will be affecting the different. Okay. Clear this one. So clear this one. Okay. Clear this one. Okay. Now, okay. Now this is also okay. Now clear this one. Remove this one. Okay. Now we are going to the parameter. So customer wise, customer name wise, sales. Okay. I want to display the top 10 customer here. So this is the question. So descending order, I want to display text here. So this is the question. I want to display the top 10 customer. So how you can display top 10 customer? How you can multiple ways you can create. I want to display number of customer. I want to display top 15. I want to display top 100. How you can display the top 100. Suppose I am going to customer name, drag and drop into the filter cell. This is the filter cell. Okay. So filter here. So this is the filter. Now you can hide this one. Not required. Okay. And edit filter. Now I'm going to select all. Okay. Top. Now I'm going here. This is the by field. So what happened here? Top 10 filter. Okay. You can apply here. What happened? It will use the top 10. So see, this is the marks top 10 here, the below layer. Okay, top 10. So here, right click here. I want to display the top 15 or top 20. Apply. Okay, it will use the top 20. So that 20, this is the 20 marks here. Right? Right. Here I want to display the apply the parameter here. Okay. Now I'm going to apply the parameter here. Just edit here. Okay. Now I'm going to click here. Now create parameter. So you can create parameter multiple ways. Okay. Here in the drop down. So this is the drop down. Click the parameter. Okay. Right click on dimension field or measurable. Create parameter. And also here also create parameter. And also you are going to the create calculate field or parameter. You can check it parameter whether it is or not. Okay. No worries. Okay. So you can create multiple ways. Now I'm going to edit this one. So I want to go to apply here, create parameter. So the parameter name is ABC or number of customer. Something when give anything no worries. Okay. Apply. Okay. Apply. Okay. So now I'm going to, this is the parameter which is created by just now. Okay. Now so parameter here. So it will use the top 20, right? If you increase the size, what happened? The size will be increases. Okay. Increase the size. Increase. Now I'm going to decrease the size. So what happened? Decrease size. Okay. Before you can understand how many fields are created, I don't know. Okay. Now you can create the calculated field here. That is index. So index is the row number. It will display row number. Okay. Index. Now I'm going to apply here, drag and drop in the here. Now I'm going to keep the descriptive value. It will use 2 field here. Suppose I'm going to increase the size. What happened? 13. Now I'm going to increase the size. So that is called as the parameter. Dynamically you can create it. So client want to see the top 10 here. Okay, I want to reduce the top 10. So client wants to see the top 1. That is the parameter. Okay. So these are the comes under the parameter. Okay. So this is the filter concept is completed. Now we are going to joining here. Okay. Now we are going to join. So already morning class cheppan kabatti. So basic chepta. So joining nothing but here command the tables. Okay. Table 1, table 2. Okay. So table 1, table 2. So table 1, table 2 ni మనం command చేస్తాం. Okay. Joining చేస్తాం. So based on columns here. So based on matching columns here. Matching columns బట్టి మనం command చేసుకుంటాం. So ఇందులో different models ఉన్నాయని చెప్పాము, రైట్? ఏమని చెప్పాము? ఇన్నర్ జాయిన్, ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ లెఫ్ట్ జాయిన్, నెక్స్ట్ సెల్ఫ్ జాయిన్. ఓకే, సెల్ఫ్ జాయిన్. సో ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినప్పుడు అగైన్ యూ కెన్ డివైడ్ ఇంటూ ద మల్టిపుల్ వేస్. ఓకే, హియర్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్నర్ జాయిన్, నెక్స్ట్ లెఫ్ట్ జాయిన్, ఓకే, రైట్ జాయిన్, నెక్స్ట్ ఫుల్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్, రైట్? ఫుల్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్. సో ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది? సో join nothing but here combine the tables. Okay, combine the tables. Okay, so these are the join condition. So inner join means అని చెప్పాము. So this is the indication ఏంటంటే this is the inner join, right? If you take the one table 1, table 2. Okay, in the table what are the matching columns present in the inner join? Okay, now this is the inner join. Now I'm going to left join. I'm taking the left to the all the table. Left table on to all columns I'm taking here. Okay. Now what are the matching present in the right columns. Table 2 lo matching columns you can join here. So same as right. Okay, same as right here. Okay, right table మొత్తం తీసుకుంటాము. So what are the matching columns present in the left table? You can add into the here. Okay, full out join means you can take the entire both the tables. So this is called as the joining, right? Now I'm going to here join next cardinals. Okay, so cardinal means that is the hierarchy structure, right? Okay, that is the relationship between the parent to child. Suppose here one-to-one relationship, so one-to-many relationship, many-to-many, one-to-one, that is a relationship. Okay, suppose cardinalities. Okay, so call this. So one-to-one relationship, one-to-many relationship, so many to many. Okay, next many to one relation. These are the relationship. So these are called cardinals. And the parent to child. Okay, then here you can see. So this is the country తీసుకోండి. For example, country ఇక్కడ multiple states. మన ఇండియాకి ఎన్ని different multiple states. నెక్స్ట్ మల్టిపుల్ స్కూల్ తీసుకుంటాము, స్కూల్ రూమ్స్ తీసుకోండి. ఓకే, స్టూడెంట్స్ తీసుకుంటారు. సో ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ మల్టిపుల్ స్టూడెంట్స్ తీసుకుంటాము, సబ్జెక్ట్స్ తీసుకుంటాం. సో ఇలా డిఫరెంట్ కార్డినల్స్ ఉంటాయి అనమాట. దిస్ ఇస్ ద రిలేషన్షిప్ అనమాట. సో ద రిలేషన్షిప్ బిట్వీన్ one to one, one to many, many to one. These are the different relations అనమాట. Okay, now I'm going here say, so come down here, I'm going to okay, now that is the cardinals. Now data blending here. Okay, coming to data blending here. What is the data blending? So what is the data blending here? Combine the multiple data source. Okay, this is the Excel data source. This is the Notepad data source. Okay, Notepad, Excel. So you can combine the tables. Okay, ఇందులో table 1 ఉంది, table 2 ఉంది అనుకోండి. సో ఇందులో table 1 ఉంది, table 2 అనుకోండి. What are the matching columns? You can combine the tables. That is very simple. So data source 1, this is the data source 1, and if you take the another data source 2. So this is the primary data source, this is the secondary data source. In the primary data source, what are the matching column present in the secondary data source? What are the matching columns present in the primary data source? That is called as the data blending. So matching columns undali, you should be match the column in the both the tables. So రెండు టేబుల్ లో కాలమ్స్ అన్ని మ్యాచ్ అయి ఉండాలి. దట్ ఈస్ ద, అంటే ఇక్కడ మల్టిపుల్ డేటా సోర్స్ తీసుకుని డేటాని కంబైన్ చేసుకుంటాం. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as the data blending. Okay, so this is the first topic here. This is the module 1, right? This is the module 1. And do you have any queries in this? Okay, or we are going to the second module 2. No worries, within time we are complete to this topic. I will be covered within 1 hour all the topics here. Now we are going to, for example, 1 second.